Types of aircraft. Aerostat, a lighter-than aircraft such as balloon. Amphibian, a type of aircraft able to land and take off from both water and land. Aerodyne, any heavier-than-air machine, such as an aircraft that derives the greater part of its depth from aerodynamic forces. Bomber, a military aircraft designed to carry out bombing missions. Canard, an aircraft in which the tailplane is mounted in front of the wing. Drone, a pilotless radio-controlled aircraft. Glider, an aircraft capable of gliding and soaring in air currents without the use of engine. Sailplane, a high-performance glider. Seaplane, any aircraft that lands and takes off from water. Stall, an aircraft that can take off and land in a shortcut distance. Hot air balloon, a lighter-than aircraft in which air heated by a flame is trapped in a large fabric bag. Helicopter gunship, a large heavily armed helicopter used for ground attack. VTOL, an aircraft with a vertical takeoff and landing system. Zeppelin, a large cylindrical rigid airship built from 1900 to carry passengers and used in World War I for bombing and reconnaissance. Triplane, an airplane having three wings arranged one above the other. Please subscribe and share this video. Again, thanks for watching.